The world is standing at the edge of an unprecedented protein crisis as the global population explodes, placing extreme pressure on our fragile food security. While our vast oceans are slowly running dry, a global superpower has discovered a powerful answer within a common fish that holds immense biological potential. This is much more than simple aquaculture. It represents a technological revolution designed to redefine the future of global nutrition for billions of people everywhere. In the heart of Guangdong, China, a new empire is rising. These high-tech cages house the secret to a future where food is never scarce. By blending biology with advanced engineering, China has turned a humble species into a strategic asset, moving from traditional farming to a massive industrial scale. This transition marks the beginning of a global shift, where technology dictates the flow of protein from eastern shores to every corner of the planet. Every scale and every movement is now part of a grand design. China is not just raising fish, they are engineering the ultimate survival food. Welcome to the era of the Tilapia Empire. Join us as we explore how artificial intelligence and gene technology are reshaping the very plate you eat. Deep within the laboratories of Hainan, the blueprints of life are being rewritten. Scientists are using CRISPR technology to edit the very essence of tilapia. By decoding and restructuring the genetic map, researchers are optimizing growth rates and enhancing natural disease resistance to create a truly superior breed of fish. Precision is key in this biological frontier. Each modification is a step toward a more efficient protein source that can withstand the harshest environmental conditions. The results are breathtaking. These engineered superfish grow twice as fast as their ancestors, producing significantly more meat with far fewer resources than ever before. We are witnessing the birth of living protein machines. China is no longer waiting for nature. They are actively programming life to serve human needs. These millions of genetically optimized fry are the seeds of a new global food order, carefully cultivated in perfectly controlled and highly sterile environments. Every bone and muscle fiber is designed for maximum efficiency. This is the intersection of biology and industrial design, optimized for the global dinner table. In these massive halls, the scale of production is industrial. Millions of fish are raised simultaneously, ensuring a steady and reliable flow of essential nutrients. The code of life is now a tool for national security. China's mastery over these genetic sequences provides a massive competitive edge in the global market.
The filtration system,
Strength,
the water to
speed,
optimal purity.
and size are no longer accidents of nature. They are planned features of a biological product designed to feed an ever-growing, hungry world. By bypassing the slow pace of natural evolution, China has compressed decades of breeding into just a few years, staying ahead of the global demand. Security and precision follow these fish from the lab to the farm. Every shipment is a vital link in a chain of biological dominance and success. As the sun rises on this new era, the superfish is ready to leave the lab and conquer the vast industrial farms of the southern provinces. In these smart farms, every fish is a data point. Advanced AI systems monitor their every move, ensuring perfect health and optimal growth 24/7. The farmers of today use tablets instead of nets. Real-time data on water quality is transmitted instantly, allowing for precise adjustments with a single touch.
We need to activate.
Robotic feeding systems eliminate waste by calculating the exact nutritional needs of the fish. AI determines the perfect portion for every single feeding cycle daily. Automation handles the dirty work. Sensors detect even the smallest changes in water purity, triggering cleaning systems before any health issues can ever arise. From above, the landscape looks like a giant computer circuit. These geometric ponds are designed for maximum density and logistical efficiency on a massive scale. The integration of technology into nature is seamless. These sensors are the eyes and ears of an invisible manager that never sleeps or makes mistakes. Predictive algorithms take the guesswork out of farming. AI can forecast the exact weight and harvest time months in advance, stabilizing the entire supply chain. Even at night, the machines keep working. Constant surveillance and automated care ensure that the protein factories operate at peak performance without any interruption. Every bite is optimized. AI monitors the feeding behavior to ensure that not a single pellet is wasted, maximizing the conversion of feed into high-quality meat. Sustainability is built into the design. Floating solar arrays provide clean energy to power the sensors and robots, creating a self-sustaining industrial ecosystem. The system is reactive and intelligent. It identifies where the fish are most active and directs resources exactly where they are needed most at that moment. Centralized control allows a handful of experts to manage millions of fish across the country. This is the ultimate triumph of digital scale over manual labor. By turning aquaculture into a precise manufacturing process, China is setting a new global standard for how food should be produced in the 21st century. Once harvested, the fish enter a world of pure speed and precision. Automated systems transform raw fish into perfect fillets in a matter of mere seconds. Efficiency is paramount at every stage. Vacuum sealing ensures the highest quality and freshness, preparing the product for its long journey to international markets. From the ports of Shenzhen, these containers carry the results of China's technological might. A global fleet of ships distributes protein across the 7 seas. The Protein Silk Road is now a reality. China's tilapia is reaching every corner of the globe, from bustling Western cities to developing African nations. On the shelves of supermarkets worldwide, this product has become a staple. It offers an affordable and consistent source of nutrition for millions of families. It is not just about quantity, it is about quality. Chefs around the world are embracing this versatile fish, incorporating it into diverse and sophisticated culinary traditions. In regions where protein was once a luxury, China's industrial scale has made healthy food accessible and affordable, fundamentally changing local diets and health. The scale of the logistics network is staggering. These warehouses act as strategic reserves, ensuring that the global supply remains stable despite market fluctuations. China's dominance in the tilapia market is not just a food victory, it is an economic triumph that solidifies their role as the world's primary provider. Every day, millions of people consume the product of this technological empire, often without realizing the incredible journey it took to reach their plate. By land, sea, and air, the empire of tilapia continues to expand, driven by a relentless pursuit of efficiency and a vision for global food control. But every empire has a shadow. The rapid expansion of massive aquaculture has led to serious concerns about water pollution and local environmental degradation. The escape of these highly resilient fish into the wild can be catastrophic. Native species are often overwhelmed by the aggressive and fast-growing tilapia invaders. Experts warn that we are trading long-term ecological health for short-term food production. The loss of biodiversity is a price we may regret paying later. The intensive use of antibiotics in some traditional farms has created a new threat: drug-resistant bacteria that can spread far beyond the fish ponds themselves. In some areas, the land itself